Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to start a special segment. In this special segment you will see a lot of DIY and also life hacks. In today's video we are going to test eggs in Coca Cola and vinegar for 24 hours. Okay, so I'm going to put eggs into these jars. And also for this one. Let's pour vinegar into this jar. This is fully covered now. I'm going to close this lid. And let's pour Coca Cola into this jar. Okay. Okay, so we are done here. I'm going to put these jars in a safe place. Yeah, I'll see you guys in 24 hours. Hi, welcome back. So I'm here after 24 hours. Let's see what happened to the eggs in vinegar and Coke. Hope you have enjoyed our video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also let us know what you think in the comments below. See you guys.